Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my daily routine, my makeup look routine. Okay, let's. So first, it's foundation. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Concealer Isolation BB cream. I just bought this at TikTok shop. So this is next. Let's put on concealer. This is concealer for our over there, para mawala ang ating eye bags, dark spots, and everything. And the next is for our kilay. Kilay, this is what I use drawing eyebrow. Color nito is brown, I guess. Brown. Yeah. It's brown. Okay guys, next we will put something. Where's my blush? Here for our eyes there. So I'm gonna choose dark color. I think this. Hi. So next we're gonna put this on our over there. This can continue siya. We're gonna use this very efficient. And last, I'm gonna put this lipstick, the shade 10, liquid matte lipstick shade number 6. Ta-da! And this is the final look.